Going now to do AddMaths, exercise 4B, question 6. It says 35% of the students in a particular school travel by bus. From a sample of 12 students chosen at random, find the probability that only 2 travel by bus. This is a binomial probability question. We know it because of the following things. 35% travel to school by bus. That is a probability of success, effectively. That 35%, or 0.35, is going to be a probability of success when we call coming to school by bus success. Now, that might seem a bit strange, but in these questions we always talk about success. So the probability of success is 0.35. It says from a sample of 12 students. So I have n equals 12. That's the number of students I'm looking at here altogether. And I've got to work out in part 1 the probability only 2 people travel by bus. So I need the probability that x equals 2. For a binomial probability, you need to know the following formula. It's not given to you in the exam. The probability that x is equal to any number r is n choose r, p to the r, 1 minus p to the n minus r. And in this question we've got p from the question, n from the question, and in part 1 the r is 2. And now we just substitute those into here. So the probability that only 2 travel by bus is n choose r, p to the r, 1 minus p to the n minus r. Now we just put that straight into a calculator. And if you type that into the calculator, that'll be 12 choose 2, 0.35 squared, 0.65 to the power of 10. If you type that into the calculator, you'll get 0.1088. To do the 12 choose 2 bit, there'll be a button on your calculator to do that, or it may be hidden in the menu somewhere. You're looking for something like this, NCR. In this calculator, I do 12, that button, and 2. So that bit is 66. So, that's the answer to part 1. Part 2 of the question, it's asking for the probability exactly half of them travel by bus. 12 of them we're looking at altogether. So in this question, our R number, the number we're interested in, is 6. 6 is half of 12. So I've got R is 6. From before, N is still 12. Still 12 people we're looking at. P, the probability of coming by bus, which is our success, is 0.35. So I've just got to substitute these values into the same formula we used before. You can still see at the top of the screen. So it's going to be N choose R, P to the R, 1 minus P to the N minus R. And we type that into the calculator, and you should get for that one an answer of 0.1289. That's the end of question 6.